Hello everybody, hi to all, good evening. So today I want to make video, and today it's not a random vlog in my life, and it's not something new from my country. It's new vlogs from community, from Paul. Special thanks for Paul. Not special, very big thanks for you, Paul. Tomorrow I have in morning time mail call, and 3 o'clock I take this box, and 11 o'clock in the night I opened this box, and I was so tired. I can't to watch in nothing. I was I was really tired, but I can't to use something from here. I use one lock, so interesting locks, so different quality. We have different countries have different quality of locks, and it's something very interesting. First mailbox was from X-Men. I say his name X-Men because he don't want to say his name, and I don't know why. It's picture have channel, and I don't know. It's strange, but I don't want, I don't say. So I have from him first locks of Europe, of Europe, BKS, Winhouse, and Eva, and Washet of France, and many locks was. And I pick all locks what I have from him, and it was very nice practice with another level of manufacturing of locks, and this profile, this platform of locks with K, like here, because here in my country it's not, I can't to put these locks and from box mail together. It's different locks, it's different quality. We have nice quality, but it's dimple locks in other locks. This another story. So I have big practice, nice practice with locks from Europe, and from second box was from Nigby, from community. And I want to take 1 minute for him. Hello, Nigby. How are you? I believe everything nice with you, and you. I wish you to continue your travel excellent. Feel happy, you and your family, and everything will be nice with you in your travel, and back to home happy you know, in one word happy, I mean very many words, but I learn English. Just a moment. Okay, and thank you very much for your box mail and your logs, because it's these logs give me nice practice and understanding, how to say it right, I don't know, too, of logs of USA. It's another very many points. It's another picking another many things, and this nice practice. It's so I so like this lock. Just a moment. I want to show him from Nigby. It's here. It's first and second pack, nice, very nice. And this of Abas, Brady, I so like him. It's I don't know, very nice lock. I use this and these locks when I don't know what I want, so I use this and this in hand. It's good to keep and to use. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locks. GG. Very interesting profile. Yale. I don't know nothing about this lock, and GG with hard, but not have star, but have very interesting cutting way here, and 6 pins every lock here. Nice lock, and this very nice brand. I know this brand. And this EL have 1 star of with hard, and I say I don't remember. I believe for this level, no, of how it's difficult to pick. I believe in this more from another I don't know how to say it, another company, SKG and more. So very, very nice locks. This diamond for me. To say something about this lock, I can't, about because I don't know nothing really about this lock. I don't know brand, I don't know how K. I know this very, very good quality of manufacturing. I feel it. I see this lock very, very good. And I listen about this family of these locks before 7 years, I think. And this was talking with my teacher, and he said me about family of these locks, about era, about no, chub or chub. I don't know how to say it right in English. So we say chub. And from this time, very interesting for me this lock, and why? Because if it's if this lock what I think, and I think right, it's what I need to work with this lock, and many work I have with this moment. So I want to say you, Paul, very big thanks, very big. Your box mail, very nice. I know it from this lock. I know it before I keep in my hand this box mail. I know. I born before 46 years, so I have little practice in life to understand with what kind of man I have. I have talk business. It's not. I don't know business, not business. So everything when I look, when I see new lock. Where I never not meet him, not I don't know his brand, nothing, zero information. So what I am doing, I know it's not. I know to open here something new, but I say from my place, so I say it. No, I make zipping. And this is test for understand what and this not all process. You make zipping and no. And sometime I make single picking and together with so we see it now. I have 2 hooks of multi-pick 04 and 1 my hook for zipping method work. Now I make choice my tool, not multi-pick, and we see what and how we can to understand here. Nice. And we have what very big corner of picking of zipping method. Very big. It's not standard. Out tensioner, and what is safe for me, and before your not your and of Nigby male and of X-Men, I know from UAP 1 star and hard and 1 star what mean this this big corner of of moment. Before I don't know it, so this practice give very nice, no, very nice result. And how to make zipping method to work with him in locks like this or UAP, it's no, another working, not excellent another, but another. So after all, I use and I try to understand what I need to work, what I not need to work, and how. And here I feel pin number 3, but I touch lock, and I don't to touch lock. Nice, and I need to open him. That's all. It's not long story, but no, it was very low from what no, but this lock full mushrooms, full. I know what I say. I opened him not one time, and I don't know. Carl F. Very nice look, really. So I pick him single, and we see I got him. I got every one from here, and we see all elements here. It's very interesting. I know what I say. I think so. And my tool work good. It's nice. I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Paul, for your box mail. It's very helped me in my life, in my sport, lock sport, lock pick sport. Just a moment. LockSportLife. Nice. In my sport life and my practical, and what I know after using nice locks. Very good moment. So thank you very much. Thank you, X-Men. Thank you, Nigby. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, everyone. And for all community. It's nice moving. Bye bye.